beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this amazing channel. So today I want to do a bedroom deep clean. The whole of this month I have not done a deep clean and I thought it was wise to do it right now, even as the month ends. Maybe I could motivate someone to clean up their space. This is going to be a thorough one because I'm going to even improvise a way of cleaning under the bed, so make sure you stick around and pick a tip home. So I began by removing the carpet so that it will be easy for me to clean. And as you can see how my bed is dirty, so I later went ahead to remove this thing. I don't know how it's called because for the longest time I've not cleaned up under the bed, and I saw it easier to clean up this way because I've just been wondering who is going to bend all over to the end, and my bed is quite a big one. It's a 5x6 bed, and before you get to the corner it would have been very tedious. So this one was the easiest way for me. I'm going to clean up the bed also. I'm going to wipe it, and I'm also going to clean under my daughter's bed. And I don't have a mop, and you are going to see how I actually did it to the end. To wipe the bed, I used some disinfectant, my magnet disinfectant, water, and a piece of cloth. By the way, forgive my lighting. My bedroom usually have some very funny lighting when I'm recording videos. I think the light is too much because of the window, but kindly watch it as it is because there is nothing I can do about it. Also, allow me to welcome all the new subscribers at this stage. In case you have subscribed over the week, karibu sana. In this channel, we normally do a lot of cleaning videos, homemaking, a little bit of cooking, and everything in between, because for us, everything around us turns out to be content. So stick around. I normally post my videos on Tuesday and Thursday at exactly 2 p.m. and on Sunday at exactly 2:30 p.m. So welcome very, very much, and make sure you're not left out anytime I upload a video. I also wiped my window and windowsill, and this time I just used the same water I was using to wipe the bed. I didn't use my glass and window cleaner. I think I'll use it the next time because the window was a bit dusty and I hence preferred using water. Wisdom hidden locked up in my soul. Now it's the time to realign, reconnecting my foundation, reunite. Oh, I'm digging, got my feet on solid ground. No more levitation. I later took care of the floor, and you can see how dirty it is, and I think it's because of the dust. January has been a very dusty month, and you can see my bed is right next to the window, So you can imagine the amount of dust that usually accumulates. In case you have a squeezed bedroom like myself, maybe you can try out this method. Just remove everything from your bed. It will be easy cleaning it this way. I just decided not to filter anything. You can see how dirty that under the bed was. You can always realize from the water. In this channel, we love being as real as possible. So I came in with clean water, and this time I used Omo. And you can see I'm just trying to clean under my daughter's bed. I don't usually have a mop, but at this time I realized the essence of it, and I had to improvise one. This is just a rod that from a broken brush. I just tried my rag and got a mop. So that was the only way I could clean here. The other times I normally do this oftenly. So I think I will now get a mop other than all these hassles. Yeah, so this is the last chances of cleaning. And let me say that white parts are a bit stained, but I was already tired because I was from shooting another video, so I just decided to just wipe off the most dirt. In the next video, maybe the next time I'm doing a deep clean, I will try what do we call it? I will try, what am I even saying? I will try unstaining the white parts.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California.
Later on, after I was finished cleaning under the bed and also wiping the bed, I returned everything that belongs to the bed, including the mattresses. And under my mattress, I usually put my cartons, my fridge cartons, my cooker carton, because they serve well like the plywood, and I also don't have any other place I can store them. So I usually store them under the carpet. So later on, I also cleaned the other part of the floor that was uncleaned. Yeah, and that was it about cleaning of the floors.
Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now.
After I was done with the floors, I later went ahead to take care of my handbags. I usually clean my handbags maybe not twice, like once a month. And ladies, are you the type of people who go to open the handbags, and once you are asked for fare, you realize that your handbag is quite dusty? Kindly learn how to take care of your handbags. I usually clean mine at the zip area using a brush and some foam of water. I mean foam, the foam that is made using the washing powder. So it's not a strenuous process. So usiende kujiaibisha when you're removing fare, you realize that the zip area is quite dusty. Just wipe your handbags oftenly, and especially those bright ones. I don't usually have a problem with the black ones are the worst because the dirt huwa inaonekana. Then for the bright ones, the zip area usually accumulates a lot of oil. So kindly take care of your handbags.
ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these
Later on, I went to take care of my shoe area, and I began by arranging the shoe rack. I also wiped off some shoes that I don't usually wear a lot because they had built up some dust and everything was just looking messy. I also wiped the shoe rack a little bit, and that was it about this shoe area.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to
finally, I took care of my mirror and I used my window and tile cleaner, that one, the Sufficient one, and it usually cleans so well. I will thereafter arrange the things I usually put next to it so that it cannot fall down, and that will be it about the cleaning.
I need it, I want that feeling. It's all that I need it to move on, to feel it. It's all that I need it. To move on, to feel it. It's all that I need it. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25.
So this is how everything actually turned out, and let me say everything was clean and I really felt nice, and especially knowing that I'm going to sleep in a very clean bedroom. And I was feeling very tired. This video would have been longer, but I decided to divide it into two. So make sure you don't miss out on the next one. I will be cleaning elsewhere. So stick around and make sure you will be here on Thursday so that you can get motivated to clean up your space. This is the final outcome. I also changed the duvet cover, and I also changed my daughter's beddings, and that was it about the video. Bye bye guys. Let me see you in my next one on Thursday at exactly 2 p.m.
My